Regina here. I want to talk a bit about time management. It's a really good thing. First time I heard about time management was 2013, when I attended a very niched education within the music industry. And I really got really stoked about the time management theory. We all have 24 hours. And there are many who say that one of the most mistakes that people make is that they think they have time. Time flies, it really does. And to be more, to act upon ideas is better than living with regrets, not knowing what the outcome. So what is common within high achievers or people who have really made a breakthrough with science or their career or whatever is that they were so persistent. They were not giving up. They were really fast on getting back on their own feet, so to speak. If they had a failure, they'd just get up on their feet and back in the game, so to speak. Because you learn a lot from failures. You do. You really learn, sometimes the hard way. But the most important thing is that okay, this happened. Okay, what can I do now to move fast forward? Don't waste any time living in regrets, beating yourself up and punishing yourself. No. You should treat yourself very, very kind. You should. It's a really good idea. Choices in life. I'm much about journal. I have my book here again. To journal things. It will help you to stick to your plan. To say no to things that is not according to your plan. You need to have first of all, you need to find out about your values, your core values. What is important to you in your life to make you happy? What matters to you? That is the important areas of your life that you need to cherish and really to nurture, because it will give you so much joy in life and give you energy, and you will feel more secure, safe and secure, and will be your self-esteem will be strong, and your self-confidence will also be better. I talk a lot about the first step is to take care of yourself, since you need you to get where you want to go. It is you who need to step into the shoes. What kind of shoes is needed to get to where you want to go? It's so important. So what you do with your time, your precious time, is so crucial. So time management will help you to really see, first you can identify, what do I spend my time on what? And don't beat yourself up about it. Find out, make a budget, time budget, that is time management. You really see, okay, where is my time spendings going? Where do I spend time? And it's a really good idea, very important if you want to reach your goals. It's so important, because we waste too much time on other people's plans. That is so not good. No one will thank you for that. You can help people, of course, but what is your plan? Because you will be more help to others if you are strong yourself and you have accomplished things, and you can help others along the way, but you also can help others when you reach your goals, right? Be an inspiration for other people. It's really important. So time is really a scarcity asset. Your most precious asset is time, and we all have the same amount of time. And it's not very important to not live with regrets. So don't hesitate too much. Find out the map. I have some other videos about that, how to really strategize where you want to go, build the plan, and I can help you with that within my coaching sessions that I have. You can find out more about that on my websites. How to strategize where you want to go. And also identify what choices you need to do. Because if you make a roadmap, you will identify choices that you need to make to get there. You first find out what skills you need to acquire or get better at to get there, but also what choices you need to do. Say no to the different things that doesn't fit into your plan or your goals. I really want to encourage you to check out my websites and also my blog posts. I think it could be some inspiration to you. And please subscribe to my channel and watch the other videos as well, and comment and like. Thank you very much.